Habibi, come to Global Village. Yeah, you have America. You have actually also. मगर katanya So this is Global Village. Global Village is a place that I have never visited, and I am excited to see how the place is going to be, and I really enjoy it. First of all, there is like 5 minutes walk from the parking area to the Global Village entrance, and because the weather is so lovely, it's no problem there. Now we have just ended the parking area, and now we will enter Global Village, and I'm so excited. We just got our ticket for a day. We will be here for like 2 hours, and well, the ticket were for 30 dirham, and let's enter the Global Village Festival. Wow. You are excused.
Bag scanning.
Yeah, you happy because I excused you. Why I should go there?
Because of the bag, it's for scanning.
Ah, okay. Thank you. So the security is quite good here. You get your bag scanned for the sake of security, and now we have entered. Let's go and enjoy. The global Paralian. So here you have something from New York. I think it's still there, and you have London. Yeah, I have been there. You can check the other vlog from UK. This is Big Ben. Big Ben is right there, and the telephone box and the bus from UK. Yeah. Let's see what they have more. Actually very crowded area, a lot of families. That's what I like. So let's explore. Dora the Explorer. Ah, I saw something interesting. They have the stolen countries people too. Their country was stolen for like 500 years ago. Here is the people, something similar to Afghans, how they look, the faces. There you have. Something from China. And the thing I also like is that when you come here, the first thing you see is that the male and female prayer area. The sign of UK, also this one. This is from Italy. And then you have Eiffel Tower. We have also been there. Check the other vlog here in the playlist in Europe. You have Taj Mahal there. And you have the end of the world, Sydney. Now this is the world. This is Turkey, you have right there. Where is Afghanistan? That was the correct question to ask. Pakistan is also there. Hey, you got something stolen because you were in Pakistan? Did you got something stolen in Global Village? Then you know you have come to Pakistan. Okay, the idea is that you enter Global Village from there, then you have a lot of countries from the world, and in each country they have a section. Inside that section you have different kind of thing, traditional Turkish tea, ice cream, kebab and so on, as this one. So the first one on the right hand, you have the Turkish section right there. Should I try go up there? Let's see how it is. شيكنا بورتكيل يا صاحبي انزلاو زي فاخد ليه ورغلي دي نوال وين الاساس هذا؟ غير قاعد. How much does it cost? Try the wheel here in Dubai, in Global Village. We will try the. It only costs like 70 dirham for 2 people. So let's see. I know Danny. Danny from Indian movie. You know any dialogue from him? Okay, okay. Three. Good shot, good shot. So now we will enjoy the wheel from above. Let's see the Global Village from upside down. So now actually we are like a kind of moving into the space so we can see the Global Village up from above.
Okay.
Normal, bro. Thank you. He's you also from Nepal? All Nepalese. Oh, Are, no, you also from Nepal?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, welcome Mount Everest. Strong people. Nepal, very strong people. I know people go up Mount Everest with this Sherpa.
Sherpas, yeah.
You know Sherpa?
Yeah, especially Sherpa can climb the...
Yeah. Go very high. I know Sherpa. We go with a lot of... We go like simple. Yeah, very strong. Mindset strong, heart strong, but body Afghan strong. You know Afghan?
Yeah, Afghanistan.
Yeah, but only this one strong.
You're from Afghanistan?
Yeah. How long you have been here in Dubai?
Around 5 months.
5 months. Now you speak Arabic?
Little.
Little, okay. But Nepal, no Muslim?
Yeah, we have Muslim.
Little, okay. Oh, there is someone.
Yeah,
Okay.
first.
I thought it was empty. Arey yaar, if I die, give my shoes to another guy.
Oh, no problem.
Huh?
Okay, you can sit here because this glass is little clear, okay?
Okay.
If
Thank
you need
you.
light, press this one. Light.
Yeah.
This is only color.
So now we have entered here. We will try to have a nice journey in the wheel, going all the way up. It will take around 7 minutes, and the whole journey with 7 minutes will be around for 30 dirhams. You can check in Google how much it is in your currency. But we have started, and I always read this one. Subhanallah sakhara lana hadha wa ma kunna lahu muqrinin. So enjoy the view. Wow, light upon light, noor ala noor. Why you say as-salam? هو هي تسونا جرد الورس ولا كنا؟ Actually is going very fast up. And this is the one too. So videos. Sure. Okay, from here we can see India is there. We can see Turkey. We can see Morocco, Maghrib. We can see China, Oman, Afghanistan. There you have. Let's go to Afghanistan. I would love to. You can see Japan just beside Afghanistan and Oman, and then you have Europe all in one. You have Thailand, you have Malaysia, you have Korea, UAE, you have Syria, you have America, you have actually also Indiana or Americas, as they call it, Americans. So let's see. There you have two guys enjoying themselves. You can't see it on the camera, but yeah, the dollar sheet na parpak sheet So now it's beginning to be scary. Right now it begins to be scary. Now we are so much high and it's beginning to be scary. Yes, it is. This is almost halfway up, and واسكي لاسي وش كيجي لغاية تريدي لتخنيجي لاسم نستا there is nothing to hold nothing تكوي او دا ګرده دي خپل د لاس بوي Now the UAE flag is all the way up. Hey, I got something. There you have something else. Birtak shatakish bala. Kaya was after it's still okay. Now we are descending. Now we are descending. Yeah. It's very the Makapul Wadu. It's going quite fast. Now we are descending very fast. We came up slowly. Okay, there you have it. Almost finished. Back there. So let's be ready to get out from here. I really enjoyed it. I did. Yeah, it was so fun. Thank you. Hey, open. I want to go out. No. No, I don't want to go out. Thank you. Oh, sorry. It was okay, right? The time was maybe too long because I am in a little bit hurry. It was really nice. I really enjoyed it. Thank you for following. Okay.